Those in the back, how y'all feeling? Y'all good? I saw, don't try to put your arms back in front now. I see you. Look like you just left the gym. I see you. It's all good. How you doing, Miss Lady? I see you too. Don't act like you gonna hide behind the car.
My name is Shalanda Nolan. I am from New Orleans, Louisiana. I came to Portfolio Mastery this weekend to learn how to print some money.
My name is Terry Henry. I am coming from San Francisco, California. Although I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. Trap, keep doing your thing. Just let me be a part of it. It's amazing. Coming from where I come from, it's unbelievable. I don't think he understands how significant what he's doing is. I don't think he even has a clue of what this is doing for the culture and for people in general. I just want to be a part of it.
Listen, we are so excited to have all of you guys here. Thank you so much for your patience. I'm sure Jose already told you. I know y'all battled through the Atlanta traffic. God bless you.
I like seeing people, I love seeing people make money in this thing, yo. And you making money don't take no money out of my pocket. You know what I'm saying? Like, you making money in this, like this, don't take no money out of my pocket. So, you know, when I see him bring his daughter in here, I'm like, yo, bring her. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love it, because I know what that information transfer is. Let me say this. So, a lot of times we push our kids to sports because we think that's the only way out. You know what I'm saying? So we hold on them like, man, you gotta, man, what happens if we just taught them like, yo, let me teach you the money game. Let me just teach you the money, and once you learn the money game, you can do whatever the hell you want to do. Not because it's a necessity. And not because you trying to put the family on your back with a football contract or a baseball contract or, nah, go learn the money game and do whatever the hell you want to do in life. Because you know how to make money regardless, though. That's freedom. So day one, we talked more about risk. We talked about principles. And then we navigated a little bit with the portfolio. That helped us set the tone for the guidance that we needed. Day two, we got more into how do we start building it out. Can we agree to that? All right, so I'm gonna ask a couple people, what was the moment this morning? And this is important because your aha may be something somebody else didn't catch. Or your aha, and then when you expound on it, may be the thing that helps the other person go, dang, that's the part I was missing. Your question unlocks another level for me to help you. Talk to me, OG.
Yeah. Greetings, family. My aha moment was when you showed that red is discount. Because I never knew that.
Come on.
And I kept waiting for it to go down. Now,
right.
I had this device right now.
Tap into. Come on, device.
Load the boat, bang.
Like.
Off the shelf.
I like it. I like it. I like it. I got the device.
I think for me, it was when you talked about, the most important indicator being the year-to-date performance. And then also understanding when they talk about the one-year performance, they're talking about the previous year.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, I always thought that was current.
Come on.
So that was big to me.
That's big. Everybody, I like that.
All right, so here's what I want y'all to do. If I'm thinking right, we should be able to have 10 groups. And I'm pretty sure the people who may have 8 people ain't gonna trip on splitting their money. We don't want them other 2 people anyway. So the goal is going to be for you to create a portfolio of 5 using the metrics that you understand that we taught you. And I want you to do a couple things. You're gonna tell us if you're aggressive. You're going to give us a projection on return. the projection will simply be why you feel that this portfolio will outperform the market. I told y'all, my goal is to help you build 2 portfolios. One that you can take advantage of in the year, you'll change it every year, and then you have a long-term portfolio where you're doing 3 to 5 years, but they gotta earn their spot right there.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming over to the OGs. OGs, talk to me. What y'all got going on real quick? What y'all got going on over here? Somebody.
You can't tell nobody. This is top secret,
yet?
top secret.
All right, I see.
OGs moving in silence.
Say it again.
OGs moving in silence.
Okay. They hovering. I see what they doing. Who they in the maps? Okay. We got the real trappers over here. Tell me, real trappers, what y'all got going on over here right now?
We trapping. That's it. We trapping.
That's all y'all doing right now?
That's all you need to know.
We live in the kitchen, 901.
I'm gonna hit this group right over here. I don't know their names, but we about to see what they got going on. All right, what was y'all names again real quick? Trap Masters. Okay, Trap Masters. Look, nobody can hear what y'all got going on. This just, no, it's just for the camera. What we got going on? Talk to me. What we doing right now? Putting a mean portfolio. A mean portfolio?
Yeah.
Talk to me.
We strategizing, looking for companies.
Strategizing. All right, what companies we looking at right now though?
Can't tell you.
Can't tell. This only for us. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna come back and check on you. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's go. Hold up. Y'all all in the same group? You look like you working alone, bro. He on timeout? Y'all put him on timeout? Like, nah, hey, yo, get in the corner, son.
We put in data.
Okay, all right, look, I had to come over here real quick to y'all. When Auntie took the glasses off, I knew it was serious. I knew it was serious. She was like, I knew it was serious. So what we got going on? Talk to me.
We
what
got this.
going on?
We got this. We picking our stock.
So the people that don't know nothing, I don't want them in the options market because they don't even understand the concept. For somebody like you that's like in the game, you understand the concept, you understand what we're doing. I feel like you can put money in here, buy and hold, and work that. But for somebody who don't do nothing, like if you ask me like, yo, what a stock is, like what's a brokerage account? You don't need to be playing options. Yeah, that ain't your game. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I mean when I say like you a beginner. Like somebody who understand the basics and how this thing operate, you can play that options market. Only thing you working on this side is you honing in on a skill. You developing the more, and you never stop developing. I still be developing.
I actually feel like that's my mentality. Like,
I ain't never stopped developing. Your goal is to beat the market. Yeah. So if it does pull back like that, you will want to add more because you're not in there for the long term. You're only in there to get out by the end of the year. If it's in a primary portfolio, now price value makes, now the value of what it's worth to pull back now determines if you buying it or not. Am I making sense? All right, let me hone in on it a little more. If you're in a recession portfolio, your goal is by the end of the year to date, like I want to be out of here, right? So if it pulls back 5%, if you buy more, you're gonna add to your return. So you want that. But let's say I'm in my primary account and it pulls back. That pullback might not actually be a sale, so I might don't need to buy it. I want to just take a minute, man. Tracy, man, she just gave me this. I think this is dope. This made me smile just now. Best teacher ever. Right, it's an apple. So I thought about it, I was like, yeah, that's dope. Like, I like that. Like, I'm like, yeah, that's cool, I like. And then I read the back of it, and the first thing it says is an apple stock a day. You mind if I read it? Because it means a lot to me. Thank you for taking the time to spread knowledge within our culture, knowledge that offers each and every one of us the opportunity to live life abundantly. The information you give us makes a difference in my life and equips my children with a lifelong foundation of financial literacy. On behalf of myself and my family, we express gratitude for the influence you've appreciated. And when you become a diamond, you realize why life had to apply pressure. Appreciate you so much. Huge. It's huge.
We also put
now get out of here,
Apple
man.
stock a week. I mean, a Netflix stock a week.
No.
Oh, that's yours. Netflix stock a week. Keep you off the street. Keep you off the street.
It's not your moment, dog. It's not your moment, dog. It's not your moment. Niggas.